What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video on waves, which I wanted to cover because, well, first of all, it's heavily manipulated at this point of time. The volume is around 2 billion, which is crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I mean, I've seen rallies with waves in my days. I've also, here you can still see old analysis from when I did videos right here in July and June of 2022, which was a year ago. So I've covered waves a lot, but overall it's really a dying project. And this move, it's very manipulated, but it's still crazy to see. I mean, if you take a look at where the volume is coming from, you can see that almost $1 billion is coming from Korea, from BYBIT. That's usually a great sign of manipulation, all right? And that's also what we saw yesterday. You can see on the daily time frame, we reached a major resistance level right here with the 0.618 FIB of this move down and the 200 EMA together with the 2.5 psychological level. So that was a great sell area. And now we had bearish confirmation as well. So I think we're going to crash from here. You can see that what we did is that we first still got some sort of a bullish breakout above 2.5. But then broke down below that, instantly found resistance there again, which is bearish confirmation number 2 actually, because we also broke down below that. And then what we did with the last candle is that we actually, we found quite a lot of support at 2.2, which is the 0.5 FIB of this move up. And it's also like there's some more support around that area. But what we did with the last candle is we actually also dropped down below the 0.382 FIB of this move up. So what you usually tend to see with manipulation like this is that it can actually continue until we get bearish momentum. All right, so until we get bearish confirmation, and bearish confirmation is always difficult to identify. But in this case, we already had bearish confirmation by breaking down below 2.5 and finding resistance there. But then we also broke down below the 382 FIB. Usually if these manipulated cryptos are rallying, if they drop down below the 382 FIB, they will not go up even more. So there's still a possibility that we could get to $3 and above there, like 3.1, 3.2. But then with this candle, really we would need to break above 2.5. Like if we can do that, all right, then it's possible. But the chances of this are like 5 to 10%. So I would say it's quite unlikely. I think it's more likely that, you know, we might actually find some more support right here, but that the resistance, which is now coming to exist between 2.4 and 2.6, there's basically resistance in that entire area. I think it's more likely we'll find resistance there, and that will slowly drop down to $2, where we'll find some more support, and then afterwards down to at least 1.75 and probably even lower. But that's something we'll have to see. I mean, it's there's probably opportunities here. Like I said, $2 is perhaps a good level to buy from, even though it's risky because it's very manipulated. But for example, if Bitcoin gets some bullish momentum while waves is dropping down to that level, it's a possibility. In general, I would stay out though. It's 100% manipulated. And if there's one thing that's true, it's that the manipulators themselves, they always make money, all right? And the people who lose out are retail traders jumping into the price, shorting now or longing now, and they just keep track of that and they will move against that. That's how they move. That's how they make money. All right, so yeah, be careful with that. If you want to know more about these manipulated cryptos and kind of want to discuss that, check out the links down in the description to maybe consider joining the Signal group. There's also a chat room there, and we discuss these cryptos a lot. So check that out if you are interested. But for now, this is my take on waves. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.